Monday. I hope everybody had a fantastic Monday. Hard to believe we're into the last week of July already. Where has the time gone? I can say this month has flown by. I started back to work full-time 3 weeks ago, so life is crazy and hectic and busy, but all is good. Beautiful weather here in Kamloops today, 36 degrees. That's what my car said. So hot, so happy I have central air. I haven't been on in a while, so again, welcome. This is Beans, Bags, and Handicrafts vlog number 11. Been quite busy. I said I don't have any orders really going on right now as I took a break until mid-August because I thought it was going to take that long for a lot of my materials from Spoonflower to arrive. But I got home today and it was like, wow, it was like Christmas. I swear the majority of my packages came and I'm so excited about that. So I thought today would be fun to open mail, and those of you who do have bags on order for between now and Christmas, you can see if some of your fabrics have come in that you have chosen. Some I still need to talk to decide on those bag choices, but yeah, we're going to go from there. Anyways, I'm happy to say I did manage to get out 2 more Shamballa tutorials. If you haven't checked them out yet already, I did the Chloe bag and I did the Solangel bag. So I'm going to show those off first. So this is the Chloe bag. I did this one a little bit different than the pattern because I'm going to give this one to my mom. So rather than making it a shoulder or crossbody bag that was detachable, I made it so it stayed on, and it's just an arm bag for her because she can't put things on her shoulder. It hurts too much. And I added a super cute tassel. So these are a new thing I'm offering now, that if you want to add a tassel to any of your bag orders, it's an extra $7 and I can do that for you. It's so cute. So yeah, so this is the Chloe bag. It's a really fun pattern. I made my own piping, which is fun. I don't think I'll ever use pre-made piping ever again. It's just amazing when you can get it to match the vinyl. This I made with the cork fabric, which I'm in love with. It's so expensive to buy, but I love it. I have decided I am going to offer cork fabric. If you decided you want a cork fabric instead of the vinyl or the fabric on a bag, you can definitely do that, but it is a $50 upcharge just because the cork fabric is so expensive. Please ignore Coco in the background if you're going to hear her. Obviously, my husband just got home from work and she gets super excited. So yeah, so this is the Chloe bag. I also made so you can see the inside here. So it's just got the 1 zipper pocket. You could probably very easily put in some slip pockets if you wanted to. To go with that, I also made my mom a matching diamond clutch wallet. Again, this is my most favorite wallet of all time. It's a Teresa Lucio, I think is how you say it, design. Just love it. So in case you've never seen them before, here it is. It's a cell phone, fits there. I have an iPhone 10 Max. It fits in there just fine. It's got the coin purse on top. I added a wristlet. You can add a wristlet for $10 onto any bag if you wanted, or wallet if you wanted to. And on the inside, you have lots of space for bills, receipts, and cards. So I know she's really excited to get this one, so we'll give it to her this weekend when I see her next. So yes, that's the Chloe bag. So that's on the YouTube channel now. If you want to see how it was made, it's this one being made here. The other tutorial I did was for the Shamballa Solangel bag. So this one I made for myself. Again, I added another tassel because I'm all about the tassels right now. This one I did in like this limited edition. It's kind of like a hunter green. I don't know if you can see the green. In my pictures, when I take pictures, it looks blue or black, but it is actually a deep, deep hunter green. Yeah, so it turned out really neat. I think the next one I'm going to do, I may do these panels in cork or vinyl as well, just to see. Because I actually really love how the back looks in all vinyl. So I just think that might be neat to do another one like that. So yeah, and then when you open it up, you got the zipper pocket, and then it's a decent sized bag, and it closes with the magnetic snap. So yeah, this is another tutorial on my YouTube channel. It's such a fun bag. Even if you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure you would be able to get through it okay, and on a domestic machine, not a problem. It's a really fun bag. So I'm very excited about that. My YouTube channel, oh my gosh, I think my last vlog, we were sitting at like low 400s, I think. I checked today and we are at 860 subscribers. I'm just over the moon happy. I'm 140 subscribers away from my goal. I really want to get to 1,000 so I can do these vlogs live, and then I can answer questions or what have you, or even be able to do like a sew and chat while I'm sewing or a live tutorial. I think it would be great. And of course I can work on getting monetized, which I mean, then you get a little bit more money coming in if you can get monetized, and that just helps me buy more sewing goodies. So yeah, so I'm very excited. If you have not yet, please subscribe and hit the like button, and then hit the little bell for notifications so you know when I've posted something new. Every little bit helps. Share with your friends. I'm really hoping, my goal was to be to 1,000 by the end of this month, so I'm very hopeful that that will still happen. We're so close, I can taste it. I do have some more Shamballa tutorials coming up. I'm thinking I have... Oops, please ignore Coco. There's my husband. Hi, honey. Okay, Coco, go with daddy. Anyways, Shamballa had just released a bag called the Madeline bag. That is my next one coming up, and I think when I'm doing it is in this box, which we will show. So if you haven't gotten that pattern yet, go over to Shamballa Bag's website, pick up that pattern, and then when I get that tutorial all done, we could do it together. This month I'm also going to be doing, for the Shamballa, I'm going to be doing the whole catalog because Sammy has made me her designated video vlogger tutorial person for YouTube for her patterns, and it just makes me so happy because I just love her designs and I love to teach. So she's just given me an outlet to be able to share and teach and have fun and learn with each other. So I'm very pleased to have that relationship with her. So I wouldn't be endorsing her if I didn't 100% believe in her bags and her pattern writing. She is definitely one of my favorites. So yeah, so we have that Madeline bag coming up. I'm also, in August, I'm doing the Gracie bag, which I happen to have an order for, so that works as a double purpose for me, and the Pandora bag as well. And I'm hoping to get to the Anna bag, because I've had requests for the Anna bag as well. So eventually they'll all be done. I just need more time in the day to get them done. Anyway, so yes, that's it. YouTube channel, please like, subscribe, please. 140 more to go. I'm actually debating possibly doing 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I just don't know what I have to give. So I'll think about that, and yeah, if I get to the 900 mark within the next day or so, I may come up with a giveaway to be able to give away to everybody for a draw of all the subscribers. So make sure you subscribe. Anyways, let's take a look at the mail. What do we got here? So this one, Spoonflower. I think a lot of these are Spoonflower. Let's see what we got. I don't even know if I remember whose will be whose. It's a very, very large print. That's a very large print, but she wanted that design for her bag. So we have this funky, kind of like dragonfly wing fabric. So I think this will be the center of her bag. I gotta see whose this belongs to. Let's see if I have it here. Let me see. Oh, this is for Krista. She just had her birthday, so she's chosen this. So she is getting a Divina bag. So we'll be centering these beautiful colors, doing some fussy cutting to get some of those beautiful colors into that Divina bag. I'm thinking, because the Divina bag has a zipper here, so I'm thinking this will probably be the center of the bag, and then each side will be part of this dragonfly. So she's got that, as well as this will be her lining, which kind of makes that turquoise in that top. So yay, Krista, your fabric has come in. Look how pretty it's going to be. Okay, it came so much faster than I thought I would. I guess I ordered it like 6 weeks ago, but still. Okay, next. Oh, I know who this is for. This is actually for my cousin, my baby cousin, Cassie. She loves animals and she's getting a Layla wallet done with this. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. So I don't remember which one is which. That's going to be, I don't know. I think this is the exterior. I just have to look and see. This is from Funky Monkey as well, so I bet you it's the rest of, yes. So that is the exterior of her Layla wallet. And then, I hate sharks. She has this for the interior of her Layla wallet. So that's gonna be really, really fun. Kind of a marine animal theme. I love Christmas. Such a big packages for last. This one is from, what's this one from? Textiles. I don't know what I ordered. What is this? This is not mine. This is my son's. I think this is a curtain. It came from China. It's a video game curtain. This is not fabric for any bag. I think I've been holding on to this for a few days, but yeah, like I didn't order anything from China, but that's my son's. Well then. And then we got, look at this one. And it's spoon flower. I have a feeling this is the majority of Sheena's order that she has coming up. I just love spoon flower. She got like these little notes and everything like that. Oh, this is a lot of people's. Look at all that fabric. Okay, so I know this is for Sheena. It's, whoops, I'm trying to show my pugs. We got some pugs. And Miss Sheena is a nurse, so she's got some nurse type fabric. Again, these are all spoon flower. We have some owls. And I believe this is the lining for the owls. Then I have to look at the orders to see. Oh, and then we have some more pretty stuff. We got some more of this, which I made a bag of before. And some of this, which is some more kind of lily pads, that kind of thing. I think those are going to be some gloss bags. I really do not remember. You'll see as they come to life, but I know those are for Joan. Oh, and these are for Sheena as well. So we got some feathers and some more feathers and some more feathers. I don't remember what I ordered all these for. Oh my goodness. I have to look. Good thing I write everything down. Sheena. Okay, so she's got the pelican tote with a pretty pugs lining. So she's getting that in black faux leather, and that's going to be the lining. A Pandora bag with the nurse lining, and one of these peacock exteriors. I don't remember which one. And then she's getting Gracie bag in the flight of feather with another peacock thing. Yeah, so those are actually all for Sheena. And then the other ones are, oh, it's a Trailblazer. The Pussy Willow one is Trailblazer for Judy, and the Gloss Cosmetic bag for Joan in the Water Lily one. So yeah, so that just gets me through to October's orders. It's crazy. I'll have to order some more, figure out what everybody else wants to order. So that's very excited. Gotta love spoon flower. I'm actually thinking about changing my pricing a little bit because 9 out of 10 of my customers choose from spoon flower, and I totally get it. And I like it because it's artists helping artists. So right now I do an upcharge of $25 for if you want spoon flower. Thinking about just upping the prices of all my bags by that $25 so we don't have to worry about that upcharge because everybody's getting spoon flower anyways. So in the new year, you may see my bags go up by $25, but honestly, they haven't gone up at all. It's just because I'm incorporating the spoon flower price right into it because 9 out of 10 times that's what we're ordering. So I think we may end up being almost strictly spoon flower, especially once their shipping becomes a little faster. But this was awesome. I ordered all this end of May, and I know it's been almost 2 months, but with COVID and everything, it's come pretty fast. Now this, I'm super excited. I saw online a place called Wellington Fabrics, and they had this really funky, I need to open this somehow, but a really funky vinyl that I wanted to see. So I'm curious to see. Oh, I don't believe I'm using my good X-Acto knife to cut open this beak. So yeah, and this is what I want to make the next bag out of. Oh my goodness. I didn't expect it to be this big. Look how big this roll is. Holy moly. Okay. So look at this vinyl. This is what I'm thinking. Is that ever different? It's kind of got a fleecy back, but it seems pretty good. This is what I'm thinking of doing the Madeline in. So I'm kind of excited about it. This is really nice. I did not expect the roll to be this big, but that's good. I'll be able to get a couple things out of it. Oh, this keeps going. Wow. Okay, it looks like I got it in 2 cuts. So I will definitely, if you like this vinyl and it turns out really good and you want something made out of this, I'm definitely going to have plenty left over to do it, because I've got like 2 meters here and I didn't realize it was this thick. So yeah, look at it's just the iridescent part of it. Oh, this with rainbow or even gunmetal type fabric, or not fabric, hardware is going to be amazing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, not this long weekend. This long weekend for BC Day, my husband and I are actually headed out camping, romantic weekend, just the 2 of us. So there will be no sewing this week, not until I get back. So this bag will have to wait until then. I'm not sure how I'm gonna store that yet. So yeah, that is all that is new here. I did do another bag, but Alana already came and picked it up. I finished her Hey Mercedes bag, which is done in a spoon flower fabric and a rose vinyl. Turned out really soft and pretty and elegant. And she just couldn't wait to pick it up, so I don't have it to show everybody. The Hey Mercedes bag is a So Sweetness pattern. It's a great pattern. It was one of the first bags that I made, but I am retiring it from my catalog now because it's not one that sells, and it just, my catalog just gets too big and I always want to keep it new and upcoming. So yeah, I'm looking forward to adding some new bags. I'm sure there's some new ones coming out from Shamballa soon, and I will have a video vlog for anything that she releases. So as soon as pattern's released, my video will be released at the same time, and you can just go to it and sew along and learn with me, because a lot of the time it'll be me doing that bag for the very first time as well. For the Pandora and the Gracie No, I have made those ones before, so it's been a while since I made them, I guess, but I should be kind of a pro at them by now. Anyways, thank you everybody for tuning in. I'm going to go upstairs. We're just having salad for supper, but it's not going to get cold, but still. I'm going to go and join my husband. We're going to have some dinner. House is quiet. Eldest is at work. The youngest is out with his friends. Not that they're that young. They're 19 and 20, my boys, but yeah, my husband and I are learning what it's like to be a little bit empty nesters because our kids are never home. Anyways, everybody have a great work week. Stay safe, wear your masks, keep that curve down as we start working our way through the phases. I know COVID has gone up a little bit, but we're the ones that can control if it stays maintained. So everybody be safe, have fun. Thanks for tuning in. Love ya. Bye-bye.